My name is Jeffrey Van Kessen. I'm the CEO and co-founder here at LabelFlow. So LabelFlow is the open platform for image labeling, and in this video I'm going to show you the main feature of the product. To get started, you just go on labelflow.ai and you click on Try It Now. There is no login required. For this exercise, we're going to skip the tutorial. And here there is already one dataset for the tutorial, and you can create a new dataset here. So my dataset, enter, you can change the name, etc. And I'm gonna add some images. So I got ready actually one set of images that I had already prepared. So everything is stored locally. So that's why it's super fast to load as well on the platform. Start labeling, and here we go. So here I'm gonna arrive on the labeling interface. So at the top left, I have the drawing tools, and I have the support at the top right. And here I can draw, for example, some bounding box. So let's say, hey, here, this is an insulator. So right click, insulator, enter, and I can continue actually labeling. So now if I want to go to the next picture, I use the arrow on my keyboard. And let's say now I want to label a polygon around this cow. So I can use the shortcut P or just click here, of course. So here is the polygon around the cow. So I'm not super precise, but this is just to show you how it works. Here we go. And right click again, cow, and we're good. So now, and maybe a last one, I'm gonna use a bounding box around this pole. So up, and you know, here I've done a mistake. So I'm just gonna hit on V and just extend my bounding box in order it covers the whole pole. So pole, right click, and now that everything is done, you can check if you want the taxonomy, the classes that you've created here. And if you're good with that, and if you're good with the hundreds of labels that you've performed, you can just export. So you can export in Coco format, and you can add or not the images. So here I'm gonna just download the JSON. Thank you very much for your attention. Have a great day. Bye bye.